Here is 10 husband habits that make her fall in love again. Most men ignore number 3. Most men think love fades with time. But the truth? The right habits can reignite the spark. Today, we're revealing 10 simple things great husbands do that quietly make their wives fall in love with them all over again. And number 3, almost every man forgets it. Habit 1. Daily appreciation. A simple thank you goes further than you think. Appreciating her efforts, whether it's her job, the kids, or the meals, shows her she's seen, and women fall in love with men who notice the little things. Habit 2. Gentle touch. Touch isn't just for intimacy. A kiss on the forehead, hand on her back, non-sexual affection reminds her she's loved, not just desired. Habit 3. Emotional check-ins. Here's what most guys miss. Emotional check-ins. Asking, "How are you really feeling?" once a week builds emotional trust. And trust, it's love's oxygen. Habit 4. Planning something small. It's not about big vacations. It's date nights, surprise coffees, or a walk after dinner. Initiative is attractive. It shows she's worth the effort. Habit 5. Active listening. Put down the phone. Look her in the eyes. Nod. Ask questions. When she feels heard, she feels held. Habit 6. Compliment. Her character looks fade, but character stays. Compliment her patience, her work ethic, her kindness. That's how you connect deeper. Habit 7. Protect her peace. Being. Her peace means not bringing stress home, not escalating fights, and handling issues calmly. Be the man she feels safe around emotionally. Habit 8. Be curious about her. Ask her about her dreams, not just her day. People change. Stay curious about the woman she's becoming. Habit 9. Defend her publicly, correct privately. Back her up in front of others, even when you disagree. Then talk it out in private. Loyalty in public builds her respect for you. Habit 10. Choose her. Daily love isn't a feeling. It's a choice. Wake up and choose her, again and again. And when she sees that, she'll fall in love every single time.